Hello. So, for those of you who are done with packet 1 and 2, I wanted to provide some extra enrichment. And the first one that I want to do is a ×3 review. So I made some flashcards with index cards. If you have some at home, you could make your own. And because my marker soaks through, I actually put the answers on another card, and then I just tape them together with some Scotch tape. And so we're going to go through those, and then I'll mix them up, and we'll do some things, okay? All right, let's see. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 12, 36. Okay, so now I'm going to review them in order. You're going to say the answer, okay? I'll just hold it up. Okay, before I mix them up, I want to talk about some ways to remember these. So ×3, it's adding 3 with each new group. So we know that anything times 0 is 0. Anything times 1 is the other number. Anything times 2 is the other number doubled. So it's like 3 plus 3. 3 times 3, that's a perfect square. That's a doubles fact. So if I said, what's the square root of 9? You know that is 3, because 3 times itself is 9. 3 times 4. Now, you haven't learned the 4s yet, but you do know that 3 times 3 is 9. What's 9 plus 3? Another group of 3. 12. You know 3 times 5 because on the clock, when the minute hand is at the 3, we would say a quarter after or 15 after, right? So we know that's a 15. We count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. 3 times 6. Well, we know 3 times 5, 5 groups of 3 is 15. So 6 groups of 3 is just 3 more than 15, which is 18. 3 times 7, we've already studied the 7, so we know that is 21. That's like having 3 weeks. How many days are in 3 weeks? 21. Well, we know that 3 times 7 is 21. That's 7 groups of 3. How about 8 groups of 3? It's just 3 more than 20, or yeah, 3 more than 21, 24. 3 times 9, well, we could go 3 more than 24 is 24 plus 3 is 27. You could think of it that way. We also know that 3 times 10 is 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 0 is 0, so that's 30. That's like having 3 groups of 10, right? 10, 20, 30. So you can also think about how 9 is 1 group less than 10, right? So that's 3 less than 30, 27. And we also know that 2 plus 7 is 9. That's one of those cool 9 facts. Okay. And 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. So this is 33 with an 11. That's also 3 more than 30, right? 11 is 1 more group of 3. So if 3 times 10 is 30, then 3 times 11 is 30 plus 3, or 33. And then what's 3 more than 33? What's 33 plus 3? 36. So instead of 11 groups of 3, we have 12 groups of 3. That's 33 plus 3 is 36. You can think of that as 3 groups of 12, right? 2 groups of 12 was 24, so another group of 12 would be 36. Okay, so now I'm going to mix them up, and let's see how you do. Okay, I'm going to mix them up. Okay, here we go. Okay, 3 times 8. You say the answers, then I'll give you the answer and you check if you got it right, okay? So 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 12, 36. Oh, I didn't give you enough time to think about that one. I'll put that back at the end. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 15. I gave the answer. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 12, 36. 3 times 5, 15. Okay, another fun game you could do is put these only on one side of a card with like a pencil so it doesn't go through, and then the answer on another card, and then you could play the memory game, and you could have them all in on the floor upside down, and you try to make matches with the question and the answer. So, and that's even a game you could play by yourself. You don't have to have a friend to do that with. Okay? All right. Bye.